That's a double big one!
Welcome back, everybody. Another episode of Lojo Outdoors. We are down here at the Indian River Marina today. We're going to go sea bass fishing on the Bill Slayer. It's a really nice boat. It's the first time Logan has ever been out on the ocean. Definitely the nicest boat he's ever been on.
And I love it. I haven't even seen all of the boat.
We're just waiting on the rest of the gang to get here. We got here super early because Logan was really excited. I forget what I was going to say.
Please like and subscribe.
All right, today we're going to bring you some good sea bass fishing, maybe a flounder. You never know, we might even roll up on a dolphin or two. Comment down below whether you think we're going to hit our limit or not.
The daily limit for what? Are we catching black sea bass?
Black sea bass, yep.
Well, 3 is our limit.
Are you sure?
This daily limit's 3.
$15, man.
Uh-huh.
Black sea bass, 15.
Oh.
All right, according to our fancy little ruler here, we're allowed 15 black sea bass apiece. If we catch any flounder, we're allowed 4 of those. What else you want to do?
How about we catch every single... let's catch a shark.
We'll catch a shark. That's a tall order, son.
Other than a dogfish or a dogfish.
All right, we will see you on the boat. Wish us luck.
Peace out.
Logan. All right, so it's the next day. It's late at night. I'm editing this video. And while I'm editing the video, I realized I didn't get any footage of this trash can. So it's not going to make a whole lot of sense to see this trash can you're getting ready to see and not know the backstory. So we pulled up on the reef site where the sea bass are at. And Captain Chris, he yells down, he says, "Hey guys, we got a trash can floating in the water. Let's go see if there's any dolphin on it." So, okay, obviously, let's go. So we motor on to it. We find this Lowe's Brute trash can just floating out in the middle of the ocean. And it is absolutely loaded with dolphin triggerfish. So we bailed them off of that trash can for probably an hour. And then we were all done. We loaded the trash can up, get a little bit of that plastic out of the ocean. After we feel like we caught as many fish off of it that we could. And that's how we started our day. So here's the footage of that trash can floating in the water. Sorry I didn't get any footage of us fishing under it, but it happened so fast. I mean, I had no time to do anything, especially film. All we were doing was catching fish. It was crazy for a while. All right, here we go. Coming in the back.
team effort here. And Harry just whiffed one. Get him, Logan.
Got him, keep going.
Got color.
Almost there.
Here comes double.
Oh, that's a double big one! That's a double big one!
Right. Logan, Logan,
Look at that.
come here.
Good job, man.
Double big one!
There you go. Good job, buddy.
Every boat's going on.
What you got going on here?
Big old knothead, I think.
Nice fish. Look at the color on them. Wow. Tacos. All I see is tacos.
I didn't even see you sneak down.
Good. That's how I roll. Sneaky. Got him hooked good.
That is a heck of a lot faster than what I could do it.
Yeah, we tried.
How many of them you figure you cleaned this year? That is a pile of fish.
Hey guys, we're starting my dad's using his my Gatorade bottle and I flipped it and it won't.
All right, so what do you think? You're like Dude Perfect now?
No.
He was on the fishing rod today.
Hey everybody, we just got done our sea bass trip. It was an epic day. We caught a very lucky break first thing in the morning.
We
ran
got
into a trash can.
1-0-0.
We found a trash can floating out there in the ocean and we caught like 20 mahis under it. We ended the day with over 30 mahis, a limit of sea bass, some triggerfish. It was great. This is Captain Chris. I've known him a long time. I'm gonna put a link to his boat in the description, the Bill Slayer right here out of Indian River Marina. Great guy, great operation. Again, we're gonna put a link in the description to his operation. It is phenomenal. If you wanna catch fish, this is your guy. See you soon.
Me and my dad don't normally catch a fish. And we caught 100, so.
Way to tell on us, son.
It's a good day. You guys did awesome. You guys did very good.
So,
Good fishing, good weather.
peace out, subscribe, and ring the bell and like. And please comment for what you want us to do next. See ya.
See you guys. Thanks again, Joe. Logan.
That's gone. All right, thank you, Chris.
Thank you,
We
Joe.
appreciate you, buddy.
Always. Thank you.
All right, so earlier in the video, you saw that we took those fish to the fish cleaner. That was a lot of fish. I just didn't want to deal with that many fish. Way worth the money to have those fish cleaners do it. Plus, it helps them earn a living. But with that being said, the fish cleaners, while they provide a great service, they don't trim out your fish. They just fillet them, put them in a bag, and give them to you. So it's your responsibility to to trim out the fish and to make sure all the bones are gone. So in Mahi, you'll see on the back there's a bloodline. On the back there's a bloodline right there. And in the center there's a row of very small bones. So what you do is you'll take your fillet knife right on the edge and angle it out. And you'll trim it right down the edge. And you're left with a clean fillet. No bone, no bloodline, nothing. Repeat on the other side. Then there's your whole bloodline and bones right there. You just throw that away, You're left with a clean fillet. All right, guys, here we are in the kitchen. We have some mahi, we have some sea bass. We're gonna do a little taste test, see which one Logan likes better. What are you doing down there? We're not gonna do anything super crazy with these. I don't want the flavor of the fish to be gone at all. All we're gonna do is we're gonna melt a little butter. We're gonna fry them in the butter, just plain, and then see which one he likes the best.
Please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I hope I like them all. Bye!
I hope you like them all too. We're not gone yet, son.
Oh.
Leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any favorite recipes for mahi, for sea bass. We call some triggerfish. Let us know. All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
First, we're going to take a quarter stick of butter.
Can I put it in?
It's already in.
Can I
Yeah, sure. Put it back in again. Whatever.
put it hot so I can put it in?
Put it in. That's all you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're going to let that melt down a bit. We're going to get our piece of fish out. What are you doing? Let's get you a nice piece of both of them.
Okay.
Let's get that big one down there.
Ooh, big?
All right, these are both trimmed up. All the pin bones cut out. Should have nothing to worry about. You have your mahi or your dolphin. Some people call them dorado. Then you have your sea bass, your black sea bass.
I'm eating that and that.
Yeah, that's the point.
I might even eat that.
What? Spatula out of here. It's a little miniature spatula.
Don't we have a big owl? Don't we have a big one?
All right, we've got our butter melted. Logan's gonna lay them in the pan one at a time. It's gonna start with the sea bass. Lay it in away from you.
Gooey.
Don't just drop it. That was horrible.
Okay. I'm gonna try to do better with the mahi.
All right, here's the mahi. All right. Now we're gonna cook them in the butter. You wanna add a little salt and pepper? How about a little pepper?
No, how about a little salt?
Little salt, huh?
How about a little bowl?
A little both.
So this is pepper?
I got salt right here.
Okay, can I put the both in?
Yep, but you can do the pepper. We'll end up with a whole pile of
Gotta
salt.
go.
Yeah, but it's upside down. All right, we're gonna put a little salt and pepper on them. And that is it. All right, all right,
This doesn't have enough.
all right.
Why do we have peppers? We have literally red peppers.
They're ghost peppers. You wanna try one?
We have ghost peppers!
Yeah, you wanna try one?
No.
All right, these don't take long at all. As you can see, they're just about cooked halfway through. They look delicious.
Pretty delicious. These are ghost peppers that don't look like ghost peppers. At the moment, bread, carrot. It's starting to smell pretty good here. So,
I'll get over here and tell them what it smells like. Can you smell it?
barely.
How's it smell?
Really salty. It has a little bit of, what is it called? Pepper, and I can barely smell fish.
I don't know if that's good or bad. All right, they are done. We're gonna put them on the plate. See which one Logan likes best. There's the sea bass.
You go by the fork.
And there's the dolphin.
Nice metal fork.
All right, let's put them right here.
Daddy, look like it's hot.
Yeah, they just came off the stove.
Huh.
All right, we got them both done. Got a piece cut off for them of each one. Sea bass over here, dolphin over here. Let's see which one you like.
Ow.
Blow on. What do you think of the sea bass?
Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.
All right, let's see about the dolphin.
I'm just blowing it.
Okay. Which one do you like better? You like the sea bass?
Yeah.
Let me try. The sea bass is good. I can't decide, Logan. I think I like the dolphin better.
Daddy, the dolphin has a little less good taste than the sea bass.
Well, that's why you like the sea bass better.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you go. We are split down the middle. I like the dolphin. Logan likes the sea bass. Like I said, comment below. Let us know what your favorite recipe is for them. And leave us one for triggerfish, too. We have some of them. I have no idea how we're going to cook it. All right, we will see you guys on the next one.